All right, guys, what's up? We are not at the lab today. We're actually at Red Scorpion Fab Works, and we wanted to give you guys a little tip for our JL owners. There's old Ron Davis in the back, all dirty and nasty. He's actually working today for a change. So we're not in the lab. We're over at Red Scorpion Fab Works, a buddy of ours, but we wanted to show you JL owners something. If you ever have the dead battery, how do you get your Jeep to move? Stay tuned. Battery is dead in this Jeep and you can't move this, right? Automatic. You got no key to try to turn, put it in neutral because it's a push button. So for those of you who don't know, up front is this guy. This one got a little gnarled up when they did it, but this is actually right in here. You pop that up, reach your hand down in there, and check out this bad boy. Pull it, pop it up. It'll then put the Jeep in neutral, pull it, pop it up, and it'll put it back into park. Those of you who needed to know and didn't know about that, you're welcome. Now you know.